Hello everyone and welcome on day 15 of Advent of Cyber. So today's task is focusing on machine learning. Let's start with the questions. What is the key first step in the machine learning pipeline? To find the answer to this question, we have to go up. As you can see, we have all the steps. Step 0, step 1, there's step 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first step is data collection. So we're gonna copy this and paste it down here. Okay. So which data preprocessing feature is used to create new features or modify existing ones to improve model performance? So to answer this question, we have to go up and find the chapter with the preprocessing, data preprocessing. And as you can see, we have some techniques here. One of the techniques is called feature engineering, and this technique is used to create new features or modify existing ones. So this is the feature or technique that we're looking for. Let's go down. And as you can see, this is the correct answer for the second question. So third question, during the data splitting step, 20% of the dataset was split for testing. What is the percentage weighted average of precision of spam detection? To answer this question, you can either run the evaluation process on the machine. To do this, you have to start the machine. You go here, you have the Jupyter notebook, and you just do the evaluation. Like there is this block of code here that does the evaluation. As you can see on this step, we have one part here that says spam ham, and this is the accuracy. So the spam precision, the weighted average is 0.98 here, but we are advised by TryHackMe to check also the value over here, because sometimes it could be wrong, because it's not always the same. So let me try to put 0.98, and as you can see, this is the correct answer for the question. Could be that sometimes the 0.98 is not always the same, could be 0.99 or 0.97 and so on. So in this case it was correct. Let's move on to the next question. How many of the test emails are marked as spam? If we go down on the chapter, on this chapter that we are testing the model, here you will be able to see that we are declaring a new variable, test data, and we put in this variable a pandas CSV. So this CSV has to be the test emails.csv. When you start the machine, you will be able to see that this is not here by default. It's going to be something like this in the beginning. Let me show you something like this. You just have to erase this and then you put test emails.csv. After you run the code, the variable is declared, and then you can do print data.head and you get the data. And then what it does here, it starts the prediction. So we are predicting the spams and the hams on the test emails. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 3 spams among all the emails. So if I go down and I put 3, as you can see, this is the correct answer for this question. And one of the emails, this is the last question, one of the emails that is detected as spam contains a secret code. What is the code? If we go back, as you can see here, I have opened the test emails.csv. I'm going to close it and open it again. So double click on that. And as you can see, we have all the messages, all the emails. We have to make this a bit wider. And if you check over here on this spam, If we go back, we have 1, 2, 3 spams. One of the spams is the fifth one, is alert, exclamation mark, get a chance to win $1,000 and so on. So this is a spam. If we go on the CSV, the fifth one, the fifth one is not the same one here in this case, but let's go on the alert. So alert, get a chance to win $1,000. After that, at the end of the email, you can see that we have the secret code is I hate best festival. So let's try to copy this value. Unfortunately, I can't copy it like this. I will have to type it. So let's try to type it. I hate best festival. Best festival. If I'm not mistaken, something like that. Yeah. And as you can see, this is the correct answer to the last question. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys on day 16.